Hi, my name's Lloyd Davies and I'm one of the managers here at the Afan Lodge. We're located just between Pontrhyfen and Cymmer on the Afan Road. We're a hotel, bar and restaurant, and we provide accommodation facilities as well as a place for locals to come and meet. So here at the Afan Lodge we welcome everyone from families to groups to couples looking to escape for the weekend away in the lovely Welsh countryside. So for many years now, the Afan Lodge has been renowned and known for its accommodation for the biking groups and facilities that we offer here with easy access to the trails. But we're also a community-focused establishment. We employ a great deal of local people from the surrounding villages. So one of the things I like and find most interesting about the Afan Valley is how nature has taken over from its industrial past. You can see certain elements of industrial heritage scattered around the valley, but nature's taken its course. We've actually got one bedroom called the Richard Burton room. So the room is named after him because apparently that is where the stage was located when it was a miners' institute and where he first performed. I'd encourage everyone to come and visit the dramatic heart of Wales. I think we don't understand how much beauty is on our own doorstep. You're invited to find your epic in the dramatic heart of Wales.